So hello and welcome to the latest Excel BI challenge, this time Excel challenge 581. We should populate there for the first A an increasing number, and if there isn't an A we should populate there 0. This could be done quite easily. Let's jump right in. So D for data, then if V is A, then we want to have there true or false like this, but also we need to have in first A like no data, and therefore we VSTACK nothing with drop, not drop of D, and we drop the last row of D out, and we get like this. So first a space or nothing, then those values, and this we are dropping out, and now this should be nothing. So we get here true false values, and now we should look if the D equals A, multiply with this VSTACK kind of stuff, then we are getting a 1 for every A there. So like for the first A then. Now we scan this to get like a running total. Initial value is 0. We're using here our eta reduced sum lambda, and we're getting here our numbers. And now our last step is if D equals A, then we do this, otherwise we hand out 0, close the brackets, and we're good to go. So short and crisp Excel BI challenge. Cool to use here the scan function with the eta reduced lambdas. I hope you have it currently. You need to be on the 365 channel, otherwise you would do something like lambda A sum of A. But yeah, this is kind of old school. Why hasn't it worked? Lambda A sum of A, close all the brackets. This isn't working, I don't know why. But anyways, very well. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you also in the other videos. Bye.